Hey there, financial savvy viewers. Ever found yourself in a bind where you need to pay off your American Express card but only have another credit card on hand? You're not alone, and today, we're diving into how to make that happen. While you can't directly swipe one credit card to pay another due to most card issuers' policies, there are smart workarounds like balance transfers that can get the job done. Let's break it down step by step so you can manage your finances like a pro. First off, understand the basics. Paying a credit card with another often involves a balance transfer, where you move the debt from your Amex card to the new card. This is ideal if the new card offers a 0% introductory APR period, giving you breathing room to pay off the balance without interest. But before you proceed, check for any balance transfer fees, typically 3% to 5% of the transferred amount, which could add to your costs. Step 1. Review your credit cards. Look at the terms of your American Express card and the card you'll use for the transfer. Make sure the new card allows balance transfers and note the promotional period. Step 2. Apply for a balance transfer if you don't already have a suitable card. Many issuers let you do this online or over the phone. Once approved, initiate the transfer through your new card's website or app. You'll need to provide your Amex account details. Step 3. Double-check the transfer amount to ensure it matches what you owe, and monitor your accounts to confirm the funds have been applied correctly. This usually takes a few days to a week. Remember, after the intro period ends, that transferred balance will accrue interest at the standard rate, so plan to pay it off quickly. Now, a word of caution. This strategy can impact your credit score temporarily due to a hard inquiry, and if not managed well, it might lead to more debt. Always consider alternatives like using a checking account or negotiating payment plans with Amex. If you're dealing with high-interest debt, this could be a lifesaver, but use it wisely. Wrapping up, paying your Amex with another card via balance transfer is a handy tool in your financial toolkit. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Stay smart out there.